Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So I'm super excited to jump straight into organising, and I thought before I do that I would just show you what I've picked up in B&M. It's not a huge haul. I really quickly went in there for some, what are they called? The unstoppable booster little speed things that you pop in the wash. I wanted the fresh scent but they didn't have them, so I went in to get that, but I ended up getting a few other bits. So I thought I would really quickly show you my B&M haul. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and let's jump into the haul. Okay, so first up, as I said, it's not I've just got the one bag today. And first up, I needed some command, not hooks, these are the like command hangers for pictures. So I got 2 packs of them, so they look like this. So Darcy, my daughter, there's a couple of prints in her bedroom that we haven't put back up because I don't want them screwed into the wall, just because it damages the plaster and it's just a nightmare. So I used these in Ollie, my son's bedroom, and they worked really well. So I wanted to get a couple of packs of those so we can pop some pictures up, so you'll see me doing that as well. So I think these were £2.89 a pack. And then next up, I've been meaning to get, because she's now got just a freestanding wardrobe in her new bedroom. And she's got, I did buy her a set of these like velour, they're like a really pretty dusky pink hanger from Home Sense, but they're just too big. So I'm going to use them now because they're more for adults. But Ollie, my son, has got children's size hangers, but they're just a little bit too small, so Darcy's clothes fall off. And then these ones I bought her were a little bit too big. So I had been looking on Amazon for like packs of hangers because they seemed to be the most reasonable place to get them. And then I just happened to spot these ones in B&M. They were £2, I think. Yeah, £2, so they were a special buy for a pack of 10. So I got 4 packs, so we've got 40, but they don't look quite as big as the ones that she's currently got. So I think these should be a perfect size, and they're really good because the actual hanger loop here twists around. So I haven't seen those in there before. I don't know whether, obviously coming up to the new year, people like to organise, but yeah. So I picked up 4 packs of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully that should be enough. And then I picked up another, what do you call these, Bay Press for the iron. So it was the Comfort. I get this in the scent Fresh Sky. That was £1. And then last up, I picked up, I've not used this before, but I thought it was leaking because it was kind of like when I put it through to pay at the till, it was on the conveyor belt, but the lady did double check it and obviously tip it up and it's not leaking. But it's from the brand Fabulosa, and it's a like bathroom disinfectant, a concentrated disinfectant in the scent Ocean Breeze. It just smells really lovely and fresh. And this was £1, so I've just got that to pop in the bathroom. But that's it, so that's my mini B&M haul. Now let's head upstairs and we'll start some organising.
It's so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough.
Okay, so the first job is just to actually take everything out of the wardrobe, and then I'll be able to go through the clothes. So we'll make a pile of what we're going to donate and what we're going to sell, and then I'll be able to switch the clothes over onto the new hangers and then pop them back into the wardrobe.
Everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch
At this point I actually ran out of hangers. I don't know what I was thinking. I was a little bit surprised that 4 packs wasn't enough, but obviously it's a bit misleading how much is in a wardrobe, so I did have to purchase a few more. So this video is spilled over into the next day, but you'll see me in a minute. I'll pop everything that goes back onto the top row, which is mainly her jumpers, like knitwear and just long sleeved items and jackets, and then we tackle the bottom row once I've got some more hangers.
Put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
So it's now the next day. You've probably guessed I'm in a different outfit. I'm joined by Darcy now. I just wanted to say apologies for the lighting. I'm actually using the light off of Darcy's dressing table mirror because it was quite dark outside and you couldn't see very well, so I popped this on, so it does look rather bright. Also, with regard to the hangers, they haven't just been wasted. I know it can seem a bit needless. I'm obviously just swapping over hangers, but obviously it needed to happen because a lot of her clothes were falling off of these ones. They weren't big enough. So the pink ones that I purchased from Home Sense, they've gone to a new home now. I gave them away on Facebook Marketplace, so they're going to be being used. And then the other ones that we don't need, I've actually recycled them at our local recycling centre. So I just wanted to say, you don't need to panic or anything. Nothing's gone to waste unnecessarily.
Put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me.
One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try.
So here I'm just popping up the prints I mentioned at the start of the video. I'm so happy. I've used the command strips before, but I was a little bit dubious about how they would hold up with these frames because these are slightly heavier than the ones that Ollie has in his bedroom, but they have done a fab job. Please to report the pictures are still on the wall. They're not loose or anything. So yeah, if you haven't ever used command strips before, I highly recommend those for pictures. And I just love the frames on this part of her wall. It's actually part of the chimney that runs up the house. So obviously it's right in the middle of the wall, but I just thought it'd be nice to make a bit of a feature of it, and the prints do look lovely. Now it just ties everything in her bedroom.
This is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. a fast
So that's going to wrap up my video for today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it gave you some motivation. I love watching like kind of before and after organisation videos. This is a job that I've had on my to-do list for a while, and obviously after Christmas Darcy did get a few new bits of clothing for Christmas, so I wanted to just go through and donate things that aren't going to be worn or things that she's outgrown. Do keep an eye out for a bedroom tour that's going to be coming really soon, and then I'll be able to show you exactly how her new bedroom looks. But I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everybody.
beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.